Hi, I'm back again. Excuse the voice, because it's still on the blink. And I'm going. That's better, a little bit better. And I know what Rossi Boy 19 likes, so he knows I like to do the unpackaging. Well, he likes me to do the unpackaging, so I did get one parcel today. And the box, but I know what the box is. See how huge this box is? So what I might do, I might show you what my friend Sharon from Facebook got me. Her name is Sharon Bradford. She does raffles, and I won a raffle from her. So I'll show you what's in this box after the parcel, which was very nice of her to send for me. So here's the parcel first. The envelope. Oh, it's a DVD. Oh yes indeed. This is a DVD I've been wanting for about 2 years and I haven't had the chance to get it until now. If you like zombie flicks and Japanese movies, this is the one for you. It is Junk Dead Evil Hunting, and we will do a quick unboxing because Stephen likes these videos as well. So this is the front. She's got a piece of flesh in her gob. There's all the zombies there. The spine, the back. She's got added features onto this film. She's got a scene selection, biofilm, film graphies, movie stills, trailers, original promo material, starring Kaori Shimomura, Yuji Kishimoto, Osamu Ibara, Satsujin Gota, Kotaro Tanaka, and Miwa. Produced by Matsumisu Tado and Kurosu Isao. Directed by Asushi Moroga, if you get what I mean. So it's inside. There's no disc cards, but we'll show you the disc anyway. I am watching this later, definitely. I cannot wait. And that is Junk. So you've got an unparcelling, unpackaging, and this, where I'll show you now, which was nice of my friend Sharon Bradford. She's on Facebook. If you like to do raffles, go onto her page. She's the best raffler on the planet. And I won 2 raffles off her. I'm just still waiting for my bedding to come. And I don't usually use scissors, but I have to on this because it's just an amazing prize. So no trusty pen today, Stephen. It's trusty scissors all the way. So here we go. Oh my goodness. The size of them. The size of them, they're bloody huge. Oh, if you like chocolates, come see me. Look at them. The size of them. They're the Kinder. To show you one. And I got 10 of them. Can you believe it? I got 10 of them. How cool's that? I'll just show you one. I know I'm evil, but I'm not that evil. So there they are. That's what they look like singly. So I'm not going to eat one on camera because I'm on a diet. So and then off of me, I've got them for Tori because she's the best. Right, so closing this video off for now, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.